Okay, Indumati, start reading. What are accounts payable?
Accounts payable means money that your company owes to vendor or suppliers.
Okay, stop,
Example,
stop,
you
stop,
buy.
stop, stop. Accounts
Mhm,
payable
mhm.
simply means that money that your company owes to vendors. That means whatever money we owe to the suppliers, whatever money we have to give, whatever money we have to pay to others, it is payable. Yes or no? Whatever money we have to pay to others or give to others, that is called accounts payable. Yes? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And what is accounts
Yes, sir.
receivable? Accounts receivable means whatever you should receive, whatever the customer should pay you, whatever the customer should give you, that is accounts receivable. And whatever you should pay, that is accounts payable. Clear? Yes or no? Simple to understand logic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is a reconciliation account? Uh, Kartiki, read reconciliation account. This one until here.
A reconciliation account is a GL account that automatically uh, collect balance from vendor sub ledgers.
Correct. So now a reconciliation account is a GL account that automatically collects balances from vendor subledgers. Now, what does this mean? If you see here, see, there are different kinds of vendors. Krutik, Prashun, Diana, Lucy, Mohit, Raghav, Ram. These are different kinds of vendors. India, UK. These are kinds of different vendors. Should we create a different account for every one of them? If there are 1 lakh vendors, we have to create 1 lakh accounts and then we have to track them. Yes or no? How much money is left? Yes or no? It will be too difficult. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why there is the
Yes, sir.
concept of reconciliation account. If you have a vendor reconciliation account, that is accounts reconciliation account for accounts payable, all the vendors will go into the reconciliation account. Yes or no? Very simple. Easy to understand? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anybody who has not understood the concept of accounts payable and reconciliation account. Accounts payable means whatever we have to pay, whatever the company has to give to the vendors, and reconciliation account means whatever all the vendors, let's say 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10 lakh vendors are there. All of them will not have separate account, only one reconciliation account. All of them will go into that so that we can check how much is left. Yes or no? How much do we have to pay to them? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. Now there is something called as account group also. Alekia, can you read what is account group?
Account group. An account group controls how vendor masters are created. It determines number range, mandatory fields, optional fields, hidden fields. Example, you may have account group DOM, purpose domestic vendors, FOR, foreign vendors, SER, service vendors.
Okay.
Sir,
So
could you?
enough. Account group controls how vendor masters are created. It determines number range, mandatory fields, optional fields, hidden fields. Okay. Account groups matlab create how vendor masters are created. It checks with it controls the fields. I will show you what this is. Okay. Step by step, we will go ahead. Okay. Accounts payable reconciliation account is concept is clear. Yes. We will go ahead and make it now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go. We'll go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, uh, financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, supplier accounts, master data, preparations for creating supplier master data, define account groups with screen layout like this. Click here, define account groups for screen layout, vendors. It is very important, vendors. Okay. Now we'll go here, click on create. Let me just select this, copy this, and we'll make account group. We can make ALE1. Okay. Domestic vendor like this, and then save. So Aleka is there, so I've made ALE1. You click on, we'll make one more. Okay, we can just select this again, copy this. We can make it. Who else is there? Indumati is there, no? We'll make IND2. Okay, we'll make it foreign vendor. Foreign vendor. Okay, we have created ALE1 and IND2. Yes, and we'll save this. Now, if you go anyone, you go IND2. If you go to general data, double click or double click on address, can you see there are different kinds of fields here? Name, you can suppress the name, it will not be shown. You can make it required, that field. You can make it optional, or you can just put it for display. Nothing you will be able to edit. So you can control the fields in the account group. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So basically, in the interview, they can ask you why are account groups needed. So you can say account groups control the fields. Yes or no? That you can say. Okay. Now let's go back. Let me just write this quick. Uh, company code is there, no? Let me write here account groups, account group ALE1 IND2. Okay, this is domestic customer, sorry, domestic vendor, and this is foreign vendor. Okay, clear? Yes, I will just put this control X V. Yes. Okay, clear? Yes, done. Now let's go back. Back. We have to go just by preparing account groups is not enough. You have to give it the number ranges. Number ranges is like the roll numbers when you are in class, no, in school, or roll number one, roll number two, roll number three. Like that, you have to give number ranges also to vendor account groups. You have to go to create number ranges for vendor accounts here. We'll go to intervals, and we'll go to free intervals here. Click on free intervals here. Okay, continue. There are some free intervals here, so we can select this. Yes, 4200 say 5099 is free. We can take this, we'll name it as ID. Select, continue. Is it there? Let's find ID. Yes, it is there. Yes. So can you see it? 4200, the number range will start, end with 5099, and number range status is 0. That means nothing is used until now. Yes or no? No number has been used from here. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we'll select this ID and then save, continue, go back, and now assign number ranges to vendor account groups. We'll go here and we'll go to position. Account group is what? First one, ALE1. We'll remove this and we'll make it ID. Okay, ID for ALE1 and save. Yes, ID for ALE1. We can go one more, create number ranges for vendor account groups. Go in intervals again. Again, go to free intervals. Continue. We can select this one. We can make it AL. Like this, select, continue. Is it there? Let's find AL. Yes, it is there, AL. And now no numbers have been used. We just save this. Again, assign number ranges to vendor account groups. So now we'll go to IND2 and we'll make it AL. Yes. What is this nonsense? ID F6. and then save. Done. Now, both the account groups are created, number ranges I have checked, and number ranges also we have assigned. Yes, this is done. Now what will we do? We will create a reconciliation account. How to create a reconciliation account? What is the T code to create a GL account?
FS00.
Very good. FS00. Yes. Now, a reconciliation account will come in where will it come? Assets, equity, expense. Where will it come? Reconciliation account will come in liabilities, and liabilities comes starts from 20000. Yes or no? Yes, no. Liabilities start from 200. Assets start from 100. Yes or no?
Yes.
Account type.
Yes, sir.
We'll go here. Balance sheet account. Account group will enter liabilities. Short text will enter reconciliation account. Recon account. Reconciliation accounts. Accounts payable. Yes. For SAN1 like this. Enter. Control data will go INR. Reconciliation for account type, you have to select vendors. Yes, vendors, because we are doing accounts payable. So we have to pay to vendors. And create bank interest. And we'll go here, select field status group. You have to go to G067, reconciliation accounts. Can you see G067, reconciliation accounts? Enter and then save. Yes or no? Reconciliation account is created for all vendors now. Yes or no? 20000.
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Account groups. What does account group do? Shravya, what does account group do? Okay, Kartiki, account group क्या करता है? What does account group do? Why is account group necessary? Pragati, why is account group necessary? Alekya, why is account group necessary? Indumati, why is account group?
Control, sir. Control. Sir,
Yes.
It's control how vendors masters are created.
So basically, account groups are used for controlling the fields. Yes. Different kinds
Mm-hmm.
of fields. Also, number range is decided by account groups. Yes or no? Yes, we just did
yes,
it,
sir.
no? We just did it. I just showed you how to create number range plus. We also did your, if you go up, account groups, yes? If you see number range, mandatory fields, optional fields, and hidden fields, this is what it controls, yes or no? It determines all of this, yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, and we created a reconciliation account as well. Both the things are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now we'll go ahead. I will send you one more link. Please join that, everyone, okay?